Standard 8 Subject Geography. Lesson number 4 Structure of Ocean Floors. Introduction to the structure of ocean floors. Scuba diving is so much fun. I have recently experienced it. Do you all know? When we go to sea, we can see different creatures which exist there. Let me tell you all few things about the ocean. The continents are a part of lithosphere and the oceans are part of hydrosphere. Continents and oceans lie on the plates due to the relative positions of the moon, the sun and the earth. High and the low tides occur. During low tides, the level of ocean water goes down and the land below the water near the coast is exposed. Due to the uneven level of land underwater, ships wreck when they strike against the rocks in the ocean. We know that the proportion of land and water is uneven on the earth. Around 71% of the surface is covered by water, but there is land even below this water. But like water, it is not at the same level. We classify the various landforms on the earth on the basis of the altitudes. A similar classification can be done for landform submerged under the water. The relief of ocean floor. Land submerged below oceanic water is called the ocean floor. The relief of ocean floor is decided upon by the depth from the sea floor and the shape of the land there. Now, you all must be wondering, what is the sea level? The average of the highest high tides and lowest low tides is considered as the sea level. This average is taken to be zero and altitudes and depths are measured and shown in positive and negative values. For example, Mount Everest is 8,848 meters high and Mariana Trench is minus 11,034 meters. Always remember, in India, for survey purpose, the height of sea level at Chennai is considered to be zero and the elevation of any place in India is measured with reference to this. As we go away from the coast, the structure of the ocean floor changes. The ocean bed is also uneven like the land or the continents. The average depth of the oceans is around 3,700 meters. The ocean floor relief consists of all submerged landforms. The structure of the ocean floor differs from ocean to ocean. Continental shelf. The land near the coast and the submerged under the sea is called continental shelf. This is the shallowest part of the ocean bed. It is also called submerged coastland. Its slope is gentle and likewise its extent is not uniform everywhere. It is narrow among the coast and some of the continents while it is broad for hundreds of kilometers at others. Its depth is up to 200 meters below the sea level. Always remember, the continental shelf is very important from the point of view of humans. Since extensive fishing ground is found in the continental shelf. Now, you all must be wondering why extensive fishing grounds are found here only. The reason being, as this part is shallow, the sunlight reaches its bed due to which algae and plankton etc. grow here, which is the food for fish. Not only that, it is useful for obtaining natural gas, mineral oil, and various minerals useful for man by mining the continental shelf. For example, Mumbai High is located at the continental shelf of the Arabian Sea and it is source from where we obtain mineral oil and natural gas. Thank you.